Hey, my name's Brayden. I'm 22 years old. I'm originally from Australia. I've done a lot of different jobs in my life, from retail, various hospitality, events, even mechanics. And recently I've got into teaching. I've been living in London for the last 2 years, and over the last 6 months I've started working at a school in London, in a primary school, where I was working with kids, and it's completely different than anything I've ever done before. And education itself has really opened me up to thinking differently, and it's allowed me to expand my horizons. And I enjoy helping people, and I found teaching over this last 6 months as a way that I can help people and actually make a positive difference to people and society as a whole. So I came to the end of my 2-year visa in London, and I was thinking about what I'm going to continue doing. And I've travelled a lot in my life, and particularly these last 2 years while I've been in Europe. And I want to continue doing that and continue these new experiences and continue growing. So I thought, how can I continue this adventure? And I thought about my travels and all the people I met, the different cultures and countries, and what are they looking for? And I've noticed that as a native speaker, they're really looking for somebody like me. And I personally love helping people and seeing the smile on their face when I've helped them learn something. So I thought, I'm a native speaker, I can actually help teach them English. It's like I can share with them and with the world. So I was looking at what I'm going to do. I looked around on the internet, and I came across iTTi and the course that they have here in Paris. I love Paris, and I was thinking of coming here next. So I thought, why don't I do this course? And I'm not the biggest fan of online courses for something as important as this. So I thought, why don't I come here to Paris, enjoy the life, enjoy the food, the people, my friends, make new friends, and continue my career advancement with this course. And then from this course, it allows me like a ticket to continue my life in Europe, teaching English. And I've traveled a lot in Eastern Europe, and I thought that this is a place that can really benefit from native English speakers, particularly in Ukraine, where I've been quite a few times. So I thought I can do this course and then continue my adventure over there, sharing my different values from Australia, my different worldwide experiences with all the things I've seen in my life, and that these people, they would really benefit from me, and I'll benefit from them because I can learn their culture, their language, and it's a real good sharing experience where everybody wins. So if you're looking at getting outside your comfort zone, if you're looking at expanding your career, seeing the world, different cultures, learning new languages, expanding your mind, I really urge you to go do something different like this. Get out there, grab life with both hands, try a course like this, because you're not just sitting at home typing on the computer, doing the same blah blah every day. You're out in a different city, different culture, different language. You're with other like-minded people that they want a positive change just like you. And you're going to do what scares you sometimes. I've noticed from my life that sitting at home doesn't get me anywhere. It's going out, moving to the other side of the world at the age of 20 that really gets you somewhere. It makes you grow. So if you want to grow, you want a positive change, you want to help people, I suggest you give courses like this a go.